days to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Sophia Leng, wife of veteran DJ Cleveland Lieutenant Stitchie Leng, is putting to rest stories been circulating online, in particular to a video posted on YouTube last night that the entertainer has passed. I heard about the video, Sophia told reporters. He's not dead. Earlier this morning, I spoke to a nurse at the hospital and he's well alive. The YouTube video titled Lieutenant Stitchie is dead at 58 and fans have been expressing their condolences. Sophia Leng says she wants to distance herself from the negativity. You know, people will do and say all kinds of things. I really